Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here. Welcome back to my channel. I am now live in one of the farms in Western Europe. I hope you have an amazing day as well. And I grabbed this opportunity after my work to read the tarot cards. The weather is good. It's not cold and it's not hot. It's moderate. And I love this kind of weather. So let me start now. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? I would like to remind you guys to please use your own discernment. That's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What does Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. For some of you guys, it could not be your energy, so please don't bother. Take only what fits in your story and leave the rest behind, okay? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. Let me see the possible energies for this reading. First, we have the Sun. This is your current energy. Wow, I love this card for you. Let me see. Your challenge is the Chariot. I also love this card for you. The Chariot and the Sun. This is your challenge, the Chariot. And your spiritual lessons or the spiritual lessons of this reading is the King of Swords. The past energy is the Knight of Pentacles. We also have the Four of Swords. This is the current situation. The King of Pentacles is your future energy. The Death is your attitude. The Ace of Cups is the outside influence in this reading. The Eight of Cups is the hopes and fears in this reading. The final outcome is the Hermit. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys. Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? The first foundation of your reading, which is your current energy, is the Sun. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. A lot of you, this is your energy. You are like the vibrancy of the summer shine through your life. Your life is flourishing. Your life is stunning. For some of you, it could also be that you are going to give birth to a newborn child, or somebody in your family is going to welcome a newborn baby. Others of you, it could also be that this is your energy. You feel like you are a newborn child. It's because after all the devastated storm in your life, the chaos, the destruction, the turmoil, and the havoc in the past, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. You find the light at the end of the tunnel. There is growth, healing, prosperity, and success, and also completion in this scenario. Others of you, you have seen the truth because there are too many illuminations here. You have seen the truth where the things happened the way it was, and you also realize what are the intentions of this group of people in the past towards on you. But you managed to accept and let go. You also embrace your flaws and weakness in your life. That's why you are free of guilt and shame. You have peace and tranquility in your surroundings. It's because you held the past trauma in your life. Others of you, you are continuing your healing journey. This is success, abundance, prosperity, healing, and growth. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Leo wants to heal the trauma and grudges between you and them. This person viewed you as the sun. This person could be a Leo. Whoever this person is, it could also be that this is in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be your ex, could also be in your friend circle, or in the community. And I love this card for you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because you are being vulnerable again. You are following your heart, and that you are happy once again after all the chaos, the turmoil, and the devastated storm that has happened in your life. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your challenge, the Chariot. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like there is a fast movements here. For some of you, it could also be that you are going to travel, or you are going to relocate, or you are buying a new car, or somebody will give you a gift. This is a car. I don't know. For some of you guys, it could also be that because you overcome all the conflicts in your life, I feel like you have an inner will and an inner strength because you take back your power. And this time you are driving your own chariot. You are driving your own car. This is the journey of your life. You are very determined, and you have also a strong determination to move forward into a positive direction in your life. And this is a fast movement that will bring you into success and victory. It's because you have courage. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Cancer wants to travel towards on you, to win over you. This person could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex, or in the community. I don't know who is this person in your life, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, but for most of you, you are on the way to your victory. You are traveling towards to your victorious journey. because you take back your power and you never give the key of your life to other people, because you realize that this is your journey and only you and you alone can change this path, your destination in life. Take only what fits in your story, okay? The challenge here is to stay in your power. Don't let other people to hold the key of your journey. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the King of Swords. This is the past spiritual lesson. And I feel like for some of you, this is your energy. You are standing in your higher self. You knew the truth. And you are not scared to tell the truth. You are not also scared to cut off the ties of some people who are backstabbing you, who are not true to you behind your back. Those people who are betraying you, who are playing mind games on you, who wants to sabotage the connection. Those people who are trying to control your own life, because you take back your power. You look, the Chariot. You overcome the conflicts in your life. And you're sitting in your throne, in your higher self, because you knew the truth. And you also knew what are the intentions of this group of people towards on you. Others of you, you cut off the ties of this person or group of people in your life because you are tired and sick with their drama, with their betrayals, with their manipulation tactics. You only want to deal with people who is true to you behind your back. You are tired of playing mind games. That's why you are sitting in your throne. You are very logical at this time, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Libra. Could also be that this person is a person who has an authority. This person is also a strong person. Could be, for some of you, this is a lawyer or a person who has a higher position in either military or in the state. I don't know who is this person in your life. And I feel like this person viewed you as a strong person. This person couldn't manipulate you because both of you are strong. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And this is your spiritual lessons. You have learned your lesson in the past, especially those people who are backstabbing you. And you are now skeptical to have a connection or to communicate with a certain person because you are more logical than emotional. I never say that you have no feelings, but some people viewed you as a cold-hearted person. It's because you have learned your lesson in the past. Take only what fits in your story, okay? It doesn't matter if you are male or female because in tarot, there is no gender. And we have here the Knight of Pentacles. This is the past scenario. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are continuing what you have started in the past. Maybe you are started a business, a creativity, or a business. Sorry guys, or an investment. And I feel like you are very ambitious. You are practical and you have courage and patience to continue what you have started because you believe that it will lead you to a financial freedom, a stability. Could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Capricorn, and this person plan to travel on you. This person could be wants to nurture the relationship between you and them, or this person will offer you a stability, a real deal. Could also be that this person is a younger person than you, or this person is an adult but having a young at heart. This person is like you, ambitious and practical. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And this is related to material world, these offerings. And we have here the Four of Swords. This is the present scenario. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Double confirmation, because the King of Swords is embodied the energy of Libra. It could also be other sign, air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. For some of you guys, this is your energy. You are resting because you are feeling overwhelmed of what has happened in the past. Others of you, it could also be that you are advised here to take a rest. To rest and calm your mind. Maybe for some of you, you are feeling overwhelmed and you need to clear up your mindset as well. It could also be that this person or group of people are the cause of your overwhelming scenario. And that's why you are advised to take a rest, to rejuvenate, to pamper yourself. It could also be that you give this person a silent treatment. You are no longer communicating with this person. You also cut off the ties of this person and you block on your social media. Could also be a Libra or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Or you have an air sign in your birth chart. I don't know what is your story. For some of you guys, you advise her to take care of yourself, to take good care of your health, to drink more water, and to take a rest. Maybe you are working too hard, and this is the cause of overwhelming situation. You need to pamper yourself, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And continue to meditate. It could also be that you are in the solitude mood. It's because you are tired of the noise of the world. You are tired and sick, and you prepare to be alone, to rest, to be in a solitude. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And this is your future energy, the King of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. It could also be other sign, an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. I feel like for most of you, this is your energy. You have a financial success and stability. It's because of your hard work and or your legacy. Others of you, you are manifesting this and you are thriving and still working to be in this energy of the King of Pentacles. It doesn't matter if you're a male or female. In Tarot, there is no gender. Others of you, maybe you are an independent contractor, a CEO of your own business, or you are a wealthy person, a businessman or a businesswoman. I don't know what is your story. And you have a financial success and stability. You are very practical and you are willing to support other people despite of what you have experienced, because you knew that some people needs your support. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Taurus wants to support you. This person could be a wealthy person. This person wants to uplift you, to support you financially. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could be a matured, practical, independent male figure. This person having a financial success and stability. This person is a wealthy person, but this person is also married. Either maybe this person is divorced, but you are dealing with the kids, or the ex-wife of this person could be. This person wants to support you financially. I don't know who is this person in your life. For most of you, this is your energy. You embody the energy of the King of Pentacles, or you are dealing with a Taurus, and this person wants to support and uplift you. This is a wealthy person. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Could also be other sign. And let me see your attitude. This is the death. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with the fellow Scorpio. And I feel like you gave death with this situation. I mean, you ended up, you closed the cycle because you shed your skin. You transform into a higher level. You are not the same person before. This is related to a spiritual transformation. This is the metamorphosis of your life. This is the most painful but beautiful transformation. It's because you managed to leave the people in the past who are no longer serve you. Although you love those people, could be that these people are in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. But you realize that you need to change, you need to transform, because there is nothing for you to turn back. That's why you leave the people behind. And there is no turning back here. For some of you guys, it could also be that there is an upheaval here, a loss or a separation. This is your major transformation, the metamorphosis of your life. From death comes rebirth. Others of you, this is the best time to collect what belongs to you. This is your rebirth season. You are the phoenix rising from the ashes. It could also be that there are lots of people who are scared on you. It's because maybe in the past, you are very generous to these people. You are very compassionate and kind to them. And you have seen the truth, what they have done to you. That these people mess you up. And that's why these people are scared on you. You look at this picture. Somebody is like begging you, please, Scorpio, spare me, spare my life. It's just something like that, because you knew already, and they knew also that they did wrong to you. They messed you up. But you ended the scenario. You transform for your highest good. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And we have here, this is the outside influence in this reading, the Ace of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are attracting or dealing with a water sign like you, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Could also be other sign. This is a new beginning of love and relationship. For most of you, this is your energy. You learn to love yourself unconditionally. It's because you realize that you cannot pour others' empty cup if your own cup is empty. It could also be that this person wants to return to apologize you and to celebrate with you. But this is asking a new beginning, a fresh start. Could be a water sign. It could also be that this is a new person in your life will come to you. This person wants to socialize you. This person wants to celebrate with you. This person wants to support you, especially emotional matters. This person wants to offer you a cup of love. This person loves you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. There is an overflowing emotions here. Or it could also be that this is your energy towards to this person who embodied the energy of a water sign. Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. It could also be other sign. But I feel like there is a new beginning here of love and romance. It could also be that this is related to your intuition. You are advised here to listen to your intuition. For some of you, you are following your intuition. And you are advised here to not ignore your intuition. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the 8 of Cups. You look, after the Ace of Cups is the Eight of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of either Pisces or Scorpio, because this is in between with the Ace of Cups. Could be that these are the people or the person who wants to offer you a new love and romance, either a fellow Scorpio or a Cancer. A Pisces, or Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, because this is the middle between the Eight of Cups and the Death. Somebody here walk away and withdrawn. Somebody here is moving away and moving on. It's because there is no clarity in this scenario. It could also be that somebody here is scared that you move away. You walk away in this scenario when they are going to start a new love and romance, the offerings. Yeah, you look. Somebody here may be scared because of, mostly Scorpio have a loyalty and trust issues. Because this is your hopes and fears. Yeah. The Eight of Cups. You hope that you can move, that you can walk away to a certain situation where people are not reciprocating you, because this is our feelings as a Scorpio. We don't want to stay in a relationship, especially when somebody never reciprocated us. Somebody never valued our existence. And this is your hope that this person who wants to offer you, because this is the previous card, who wants to offer you a new love and romance, never walk away. This is like, you're scared because of what you have experienced in the past. You are, what do you call this? This is your fears because of trust and loyalty issues. You hope that this person, what do you call this, will not walk away. This is your fears that somebody here is also having an emotional detach, or somebody here will walk away from you. That's why this is your hopes and fears. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Hermit. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. For some of you, maybe you are giving this person a silent treatment to embody the energy of a Virgo, and you have no contact with this person anymore. You also cut off the communication because you are tired and sick with this person. Could also be that this person is now investigating about you. This person now is doing a shadow work, because this person could be doing something dark, doing something fishy in the darkness. I don't know, and that's why you are tired and sick with this person. You cut off the ties, and you also block in your mobiles and in your social media. Maybe you are not communicating with them. You give them a silent treatment. For most of you, this is your energy. You choose to be in a solitude mood. You are choosing to be alone than to be with this person, because I feel like this person causes too much burdens and pain in your mind and in your heart. Could be a Virgo, could also be other sign. For some of you, you choose to be in a solitude mood because you are tired of the noise of the world. You look, double confirmation. Could also be that either you are dealing with a Libra or a Virgo, and you give these two persons a silent treatment. For most of you, this is your energy. You managed to climb up at the top of the mountain. You did self-evaluation and introspection. and you have found the answers in your life, why it was happened the way it was. And now you prioritize your solitude, your peace, than to be with the people who are not reciprocating you. You look, who are never valuing your worth. Sorry guys, I'm not to speak German language. And for some of you guys, this could be this person in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be your ex, could also be in your friend circle, could also be in the community. And this person now is investigating about you. Although this person knew what they did to you, but there are people in our lives that they won't accept, they won't take their own accountabilities. Maybe this person now is doing a shadow work. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And let me clarify your readings. Some cards here. Why the Hermit in this reading? Tell me more about the Hermit. The outcome of this reading. You'd choose peace and solitude than to be with the people who are not true to you behind your back. Clarify me please the Hermit here. Why the Hermit in this reading? The Hermit is clarified as first house, self and identity. For some of you guys, you take back your power because this is the Chariot here, you look. And this is, you prioritize to stay in your integrity. And this is the clarification with the Hermit. For most of you, it could also be that you are dealing with either Virgo or an Aries, because the first house is an Aries. It could also be that this is related to your integrity. You choose to be alone than to be with this person who embodied the energy of either Virgo or an Aries. And this is related to your integrity. You stand up for your integrity for some of you. Because here you look, the Chariot. This time you are driving, you are in the front seat, you are driving your own chariot. And you choose your integrity than to be with this person who embodied the energy of either Virgo or an Aries. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And clarify me please the death in this reading. Why the death here, please? Tell me more about the death in this reading. The death is clarified as Trigon. Trigon, this is a German language astro card, Unterstützung und Inspiration. This is in German language Trigon, Unterstützung und Inspiration. Trigon, support and inspiration. And this is the clarification of the death. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with the same sign, fellow Scorpio, and you end up with this situationship, with this scenario. You give a death because you transform. It could also be that this person never supported you and never inspired you in the past, because somebody has walked away in a certain, withdrawn because of emotional detach, and somebody here never reciprocated someone else. It could also be that you never received support, and this person never inspired you, never gave you an inspiration. Could be a fellow Scorpio. Yeah. Take only what fits in your story, okay? It could also be that this person is in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle in the past, Could also be your ex or in the community, because the death is the past scenario. Nobody support you here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Nobody inspired you. You did everything for this person, for the group of people. Could also be the group of people. And that's why you gave death in this scenario. You managed to leave, to shed your skin, to leave these people behind, because you realize that, why should I stay in a certain relationship when nobody is reciprocating me? You look. The people you are dealing with in the past are emotionally detached. They never value your worth. They never support you. They never inspired you. They never give you an inspiration. And I fully understand you, even though if it is painful to leave this person behind, because for most of you guys, you love this person in your life, but you manage to end up, you transform. This is a painful but beautiful transformation. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Clarify me, please, the King of Pentacles in this reading. The King of Pentacles is clarified as 5 house, Freude und Spiel. This is a German language astro cards. That means 5 house is Alayo, or you are dealing with Alayo, or you have Alayo in your birth chart. This is play, fun, and happiness. All works and no play makes a dull boy. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Alayo wants to have fun on you. It could also be that this person wants to play you. Yeah. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could be this person is in your family. Could also be in your workplace. Could also be your ex. Could also be in your friend circle or in the community. This person either wants to have fun or to play with you. Could be Alayo. And this is the clarification of the King of Pentacles. Could also be a Taurus or an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Sun in this reading. Why the Sun in this reading, please? Tell me more about the Sun. Wow. This is heavy readings, powerful readings with the Sun, the Chariot, the Death, and there are lots here of major arcana. The Hermit, yeah. The Sun is clarified as the Mars, Antrieb and Craft. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart. And this is the clarification of the Sun. It could also be that this person wants to heal the trauma and the grudges between you and them. Could be a Leo or an Aries. This is Mars. And Mars is embodied the energy of an Aries. Could also be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio, because this is also a rolling planet, one of the rolling planets of a Scorpio. Either Leo, Scorpio, and Aries wants to heal the grudges and or the trauma between you and them. I don't know who is this person in your life. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This person or these people viewed you as their happiness. And we have here the Chariot. Tell me more about the Chariot here. Why the Chariot in this reading, please? The Chariot is clarified as Wassermann, the Visionären. Yeah. This is a German language astro cards, which means Wassermann is an Aquarius, the visionary. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or a Cancer. Could also be that this person wants to win over you. Could be that this person is your ex and they want to win over you. It could also be that they are feeling entitled with your victory and success, because this is also victory. Or this person wants to travel towards on you. This person could also be wants to relocate nearer on you. Could be an Aquarius, could also be a Cancer. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And clarify me please, why the Four of Swords in this reading? Why the Four of Swords here, please? The Four of Swords is clarified as Saturn, Grenzen on Leksyon. This is Saturn, borders, and lesson. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either a Capricorn or an Aquarius, because Capricorn ruling planet is Saturn, and Saturn is one of the ruling planets of an Aquarius. Double confirmation. You look, the Wasserman, which is also an Aquarius. And this is the clarification of the Four of Swords. For some of you, you give this person a silent treatment because maybe you are feeling overwhelmed with the situation. Could be an Aquarius or a Capricorn. And you give them as well a limitations. You put a border. You put a blockage and space because you have learned your lesson. Yeah. Either a Libra, a Capricorn, or an Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And clarify me please, why the Knight of Pentacles here? The Knight of Pentacles is clarified as the Moon. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person is keeping secrets on you, or this person wants to reveal their feelings towards on you. There is a misconception here, a deception. It could also be that this person betrayed you or hiding something from you or keeping secrets on you. And this person wants to reveal their secrets. Could also be wants to reveal their feelings towards on you. Take only what fits in your story. Could also be that you are dealing with either Pisces, Cancer, or Capricorn. Could also be that this person wants to reveal their feelings towards on you, or they are keeping secrets on you, and this secrets is going to reveal. I don't know your story. Clarify me please the Eight of Cups. The Eight of Cups is clarified as Chiron, Enery, Hylong. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Could also be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. And this person viewed you as a healer. It could also be that this person wants to heal their inner trauma and pain between you and them. This is grudges and trauma. It could also be that this person viewed you that you healed your own trauma, and they needs you in their lives to help them to heal as well their own trauma. Could be either you are dealing with fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, and this person viewed you as a wounded healer, because Chiron is a wounded healer. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading, and if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Until the next time, thank you for joining me here. I am very thankful and grateful for all your support. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.